The website that I found that I want to integrate into my classroom is called GoNoodle. When I found this, I was very excited because I really believe in brain breaks and I think that they're super important to learning. So what you do is whenever you come to the homepage, you're going to create an account and you choose if you're a student or a teacher. They have categories up here at the top, or even discover if you just want to find things that are popular at the time. But if you choose the categories, you have your learning videos like math, science, social studies, etc. And you can click those. We'll do math. And they have little videos and fun dancing videos to teach them about math. There's also categories with sensory and motor skills. I know that there's some dance videos, stretching, breathing. There's also holiday videos, etc. that you can click on. And this gives the students a way of channeling their energy and things like that. They are able to kind of get a break from the learning, and then whenever they come back to the learning, they can focus, which is something that I integrated into my daycare center that I'm at right now. So I really do think that this is an awesome app. It also keeps students very safe on the internet because it's not going to give them bad sources and bad ads or anything like that. It's only going to show them things that are appropriate for their age level. You can also assign them different things within the classroom. So here is my classroom right here. And if you go in find a video, this one, and if you heart it, it's going to be added to your classroom and they will all be able to access that. Then I also think that this GoNoodle program aligns well with the standard 1B, which says that students should have access to technology and connectivity to participate in learning activities, which this can be accessed from any device and any browser, and they would be able to find any brain break that they would like, and it could be in any category that they would like or any category that the teacher would like. I also think it aligns with 1D, which says that students should have responsible online behavior, one that is safe and ethical, and that they're able to use the technology in that way, which I think this really aligns with because they are not going to be getting things that are inappropriate for their age. They're only going to be getting videos that are appropriate for their age group, and you're not going to be getting anything that is uncensored. I really am looking forward to using this in my classroom, and I can't wait.